is the top line of the Ghanaian top flight. The game you've been looking forward to on your football calendar is Asante Kotoko up against Hatsabok.
It's Super Clash Sunday. My name is Shaban Mohammed. We'll bring you all the updates at the Kumasi Babayara Sports Dubai. It's time for Fan Zone. The fans will share their predictions with us. Some, I'm sure the Kotoko fans would say they are going to win. The Heart of Folk supporters would also predict a win for their team. And so we are ready. Let's enjoy some predictions.
If you open Fabulous, go Kumasi Market. My play the basket. Fabulous get the respect. Asante Kotoko, Ukuma Pima, Apembeba. Asante Kotoko, Ukuma Pima, Apembeba. Your player. You play the Shimado. Amen. Why you go okay, my play? Phobia. ABC that. Phobia. Then I didn't know against 11. Phobia. Phobia. You can't go outside. Any Africa Cup. Phobia. 2. Phobia. Virgin Cup. Confederation Cup. Super Cup. Phobia. Champions League. Phobia. ABC Ghana. Phobia. Phobia.
2-1. Squad. Say, Watara that's where has coach here. Omuntimi said that. Omuntimi said that.
Arrows. He forget in no mesele. He on a phone out of he never said oh, Asante Kotoko be winning it. Because say has yet too many years so. It in a kwabia so. You be say winning.
Born I never born. Yano ya yes what I say. Ya fe ni ma fe che afi bi nkwa fe nifa. Ni ehun se ne Kotoko de won mu tuomu tan ne de be show. Na woman nim no mo ka goalkeeper no tum goalkeeper me mo ni di wo mo di keeper no tum se kim ya be show mo a show mo bebre goalkeeper pa ko ya be show bebre me yen show mo ba ko and there's no more match we ya be draw match we yen draw na yen show ba ko so mo ka say ya show ba ko ye mistake what I say there's no way ya be show mo na ya show mo ba ko ya be show mo a show bebre wo ju e defenders kwa na show mo
ya je 3 points say ya try mo ni mo mo ni so sa ya ti mo so sa yen sorry. This
is my first time coming to Kumasi to come and watch Accra. So this time we are coming to take our 3 points and go back to Accra.
Early in the morning in Kumasi, so we've heard from the fans who are ready for the big clash. And this is GPL Fan Zone. And so you can see the fans, Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters, Heart of Folk supporters, who are ready for the big clash today at 3 p.m. Join us here at the Babayara Sports Stadium. It's Kumasi Asante Kotoko versus Accra Heart of Folk. Match day 13 of the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. Last season, Kotoko recorded back-to-back victory against Heart of Folk, both home and away, scoring 3-2 in the first leg and then also winning 2-0 in the second leg. My name is Mohammed Shaban. This is GPL Fan Zone.